So, solve tayo guys ng problem. So, determine the width of the base if the dike should have a top width of 1.8 meters and a height of 1.5 meters with a side slope of 1:2. So, pinapahanap sa atin yung base. Okay, yung bottom width. Kumbaga. So, given tayo ng top width. Top width is equal to 1.8 meters. So, meron din tayong height or yung depth. Height of the dike, which is 1.5 meters. Tapos, meron tayong side slope na 1:2. So, let's solve this analytically, okay? So, kung meron tayong top width dito na 1.8 meters, okay, if I trace this mula dito sa point na ito, okay, and then dito sa point na ito, this will be the top width, diba? Top width to, and then this is the length that we need to find. Okay, kasi para makuha natin yung base, we can add these two lengths. So, this will be 2x plus yung ating top width. Okay, so ito na yung ating general formula. Now, ang hahanapin na lang natin is yung value ng x. So, paano natin mahanap yung value ng x? Given tayo ng side slope, okay? Yung side slope natin, or ito, okay guys, ang side slope natin is yung x is 1 and yung y is 2. Okay, so mali ito. Okay, kinuha ko lang to. This is 2 and this is 1. Okay, now if we look closely, this triangle, okay, 1:2, this 2 corresponds to our depth, okay, or yung height ng dike, and this one corresponds to the length of x. So, by ratio of proportion, we can have 2:1 equals yung ating depth or yung height natin. Height is 2x. Diba? So, pwede nating makuha itong value ng ating x. Okay? So, 2/1 equals h over x. So, solving for x, we have x is equal to h over 2. Diba? Now, what is the value of x? So, yung h natin is 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters over 2. So, yung x natin is 1.5 divided by 2. That is 0.75 meters. So, this length here is 0.75 meters. Okay? So, pwede natin gamitin yung ating equation na base is equal to 2x plus t. So, meron tayong 2 times 0.75 meters plus yung ating top width na 1.8. So, this is 1.8 meters. So, our base, or rather bottom width, is equal to 2 times 0.75 plus 1.8, which is 3.3 meters. So, ito na yung ating final answer.